Hey everyone. Imagine having the ability to outthink and outmaneuver everyone around you. In today's fast-paced, hyper-connected world, enhancing mental acuity is a necessity, not a luxury. We constantly seek ways to boost productivity, sharpen focus, and tap into our untapped potential. The ICE method, Infiltrate, Control, and Elevate, draws on principles of dark psychology to maximize mental performance and brain power. While dark psychology is often associated with manipulation or control in negative contexts, its techniques, when used positively and ethically, can offer a profound pathway to self-mastery. This article delves into the core principles of the ICE method and how you can apply these tools to elevate your cognitive abilities without compromising your integrity. The ICE method revolves around three core steps: infiltrate, control, and elevate. These steps form a systematic process that allows you to access deeper cognitive processes and consciously shape them to your benefit. Step 1. Infiltrate, uncovering mental weaknesses. Infiltration involves analyzing your mind for weaknesses, distractions, and unconscious habits that hold you back. Most of us go through life with blind spots, unaware of how certain thoughts, emotions, or behaviors derail our productivity or cognitive potential. To infiltrate is to become hyper-aware of these mental blockages, allowing you to expose the vulnerabilities that impede brain power. How to infiltrate. 1. Self-awareness. The first key to infiltration is deep introspection. Develop a habit of regularly assessing your mental state. What distracts you? What negative beliefs linger in the background? Start journaling to track recurring thoughts that affect your performance. 2. Identify patterns. Humans are creatures of habit. By identifying negative thought loops, emotional triggers, or unproductive routines, you can begin to understand the areas where your brain falls into autopilot. Mindfulness meditation can also help illuminate these patterns. 3. Understand the power of the subconscious. Infiltration requires acknowledging that most cognitive functions are subconscious. Recognizing this allows you to see where your actions are driven by subconscious fears, desires, or distractions, which often prevent you from accessing your full cognitive abilities. Step 2. Control, mastering the art of influence over your own mind. Once you've infiltrated your mental landscape, the next step is control. In the context of the ICE method, control is about using the same psychological principles that can manipulate others, but instead applying them inwardly to influence your own thoughts and behaviors. How to control. 1. Cognitive reframing. When faced with negative thoughts or limiting beliefs, cognitive reframing is key. Dark psychology often involves reframing someone's reality for manipulation, but here you use it on yourself. Begin to reinterpret challenges as opportunities, failure as feedback, and discomfort as growth. 2. Anchoring emotions. In dark psychology, emotional anchoring can manipulate others by associating certain emotions with specific stimuli. Use this technique to your advantage by creating positive emotional anchors for yourself. For example, associate a feeling of confidence with a particular song, smell, or routine. Over time, these triggers will help you access peak mental states on demand. 3. Neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. NLP is often used to influence others' thoughts through subtle linguistic patterns. You can apply similar techniques to your internal dialogue. Reprogram your self-talk by replacing negative or limiting language with empowering alternatives. For instance, change "I can't do this" to "I'm still learning, and I will succeed." This shift in language impacts your brain's ability to process challenges. 4. Discipline and habit formation. Another critical aspect of control is mastering self-discipline. The human brain is incredibly responsive to habit formation. Use the principles of consistency and repetition to hardwire productive habits into your daily routine. Over time, this will enhance your brain's ability to operate at peak efficiency. Step 3. Elevate, enhancing cognitive function. With infiltration and control in place, the final step of the ICE method is elevation. Elevating your brain power involves implementing strategies to push your cognitive limits, creating conditions where your mind operates in a state of flow, and continuously expanding your mental capacity. How to elevate. 1. Flow state mastery. The concept of flow, introduced by psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, describes a mental state where you're fully immersed in a task with heightened focus and productivity. To elevate, you must learn to trigger flow states by removing distractions, setting clear goals, and challenging yourself at the right level of difficulty. Flow states are where true cognitive elevation occurs. 2. Cognitive load management. The human brain can only process a finite amount of information at once. Elevation involves managing cognitive load effectively by prioritizing tasks, breaking down complex problems into manageable steps, and avoiding mental overload. Learn to focus deeply on one task at a time, using techniques such as the Pomodoro method to sustain focus. 3. Mental nutrition and neuroplasticity. Elevation also requires nurturing your brain's physical health. Proper nutrition, sleep, and hydration are essential for cognitive function. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamins that support brain health. Engage in neuroplastic activities, such as learning new skills, solving puzzles, or practicing creativity, that stimulate the brain and enhance its adaptability. 4. Visualization and goal setting. Visualization techniques, often used in dark psychology to manipulate others' perception of reality, can be a powerful tool for cognitive elevation. By visualizing your goals and success in vivid detail, you prime your brain to work toward those outcomes. Coupled with smart goal setting, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, visualization helps align your mental focus with your aspirations. Ethical considerations. While the ICE method borrows from dark psychology, it is essential to emphasize that these techniques should be used ethically. The aim is not to manipulate others for personal gain, but to take control of your mental faculties. Using psychological tools ethically can have a transformative impact on your life without harming others. Dark psychology has long been a tool for control in interpersonal dynamics. When we turn those principles inward for self-mastery, however, we can elevate our own mental capacity. The ICE method is about harnessing the mind's potential, learning to influence your own thoughts and behaviors, and ultimately boosting brain power in a way that benefits not just you, but the world around you. The ICE method offers a powerful framework for those looking to maximize their brain power. By infiltrating the subconscious to uncover mental weaknesses, controlling thoughts and behaviors through cognitive techniques, and elevating mental performance with disciplined habits and flow state mastery, you can achieve cognitive transformation. It's important to approach dark psychology not as a tool for manipulating others, but as a means for self-empowerment. With discipline, awareness, and ethical application, the ICE method can help you unlock the hidden potential within your mind, transforming both your personal and professional life. Thank you very much. Subscribe for more video.